Water or fluid retention, known by the technical name of edema, occurs in our bodies when there are extra fluids that have built up. It causes our body to swell, which is often seen in the face, hands, ankles and legs. What causes puffiness and water retention? It includes a variety of factors ranging from changes in blood pressure and congestion in the lymphatic system to pregnancy and lack of physical activity. Water retention can also be brought on by a high intake of sodium, which causes the water to draw towards the extra salt in your body. So if you have recently pigged out on a big serving of wedges and sweet chili sauce, you might be holding onto some extra liquid, causing a puffy appearance. Luckily, there's a few foods which can help with preventing water retention and reducing the impact if it strikes. 1. Whole nuts. Apart from being a great healthy work snack loaded with natural omega-3 fatty acids for a healthy brain, nuts are also full of magnesium, which has been linked to a reduction of water. Certain nuts like walnuts also happen to be high in vitamin B6, which has also been linked to a reduction in PMS-related water retention. 2. Bananas. They're super high in potassium, a mineral that is able to decrease our sodium levels and increase urine production in the body. This will help flush out any extra salt hanging around the body, causing water to remain trapped. Bananas are also high in vitamin B6, a mineral important for the formation of red blood cells and reducing water retention. 3. Potatoes. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are a bit of lifesaver when it comes to reducing water retention. They're high in vitamin B6 and potassium, two vital minerals that help reduce excess fluids in the body. 4. Fennel. This wonderfully fragrant winter root vegetable is brilliant served shaved in salads or baked as part of a dish of roast veggies to accompany your Sunday roast. But apart from being delicious, fennel is a natural diuretic that can induce urine production in the body and get the extra salts and fluids flushed out of you much quicker. 5. Water. Okay, this one isn't technically a food, but despite what you might think, drinking more water can actually reduce the impact of water retention in the body by helping to flush the extra salt out. Try to drink more water than you normally would if your usual amount is being absorbed as extra fluids in your body.